5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, small crest, 130. Small crest into a 6 right, don't cut, 100. Crest long and down, 3 right plus, 150. Caution, crest and down, a 1 left, don't cut. 40 down, 3 left, don't cut, into. Danger, crest, square left, over bridge. Into a square right, long, tightens, don't cut, 100. 3 left, 60. Two left, opens and tightens, over grid. 60 dip, crest, 60, 6 right, half long, 40, 5 left, 100, 6 right, long and crest, 3 left, don't cut, into left over crest, 80, 5 right, 40, 2 left, don't cut, and 4 left, 80, caution, a 1 right, don't cut, 60, 4 left, and a 5 right, 80, crest, a jump, into a 6 right, 80, 4 right, 60, small crest, and 4 left, half long, 130, 5 right, 40, chicane, a right entry, 4 bales. 40 chicane, a right entry, 4 bales, 350. 6 right and 6 left, 150. Turn a square right, 40. 6 right plus, over flat crest. 300. 5 right, over crest, don't cut, 80. Danger, 3 right, and 1 left, don't cut. Into 1 right, into 5 left, 130. 2 right, over bridge. 1 left, 170. Flat crest long. 200 down. 2 right plus. 40. Slippery. Crest, a 4 right down. Caution, a 1 left tightens, over bridge. 130 up, slippery. Flat crest, a 100. 5 left, 250. Caution, a bump. 80 through dip bridge. 4 left, over crest. 60, a flat crest, 150. Caution, crest into 4 right, don't cut. Chicane, a left entry, 2 bales, 3 bales. 130 over flying finish. 200 posts and a 5 right through dip.
Okay.